Hello everyone, welcome to Monaseasternkitchen. Today I'm going to prepare tomato chutney. This is a spicy chutney served with momos. It's a very simple and a quick recipe made in a short period of time with just 3 ingredients. So let's get started. Boil some water in a pan enough to immerse the tomatoes and chilies. Add 2 ripe tomatoes after removing the stem core and 6 to 7 dried chilies. You could increase or decrease the number of chilies depending on your level of spice tolerance. And let it boil for 2 to 3 minutes. You can see that the tomato skin have started to crack. Let it boil for another minute or 2 and then we will turn off the heat. The tomato skin has almost peeled, so turn off the heat and let the tomatoes and chilies cool. It has cooled and I have removed and discarded the tomato skin. Now let's transfer it to the grinding jar. Add the chilies. Add salt to taste and grind it into a fine paste. You can see we have grinded it into a paste. The chutney is of right consistency, the color looks rich and perfect, and it smells spicy too. Now serve this spicy chutney with some hot momos. If you enjoyed my video, then please press the like button and subscribe to my channel.